Are you concerned about your nutritional health while living alone? You're not alone. Many seniors face this challenge, but with the right guidance, healthy meal planning can be simple and enjoyable. Eating well is not just about sustenance, but also about maintaining quality of life and independence. Having access to nutritious meals can enhance your physical health, keep your mind sharp, and boost your energy levels. Let us walk you through the steps to empower you in creating balanced meals that support your overall well-being. As someone ages, nutritional needs evolve, requiring a focus on specific nutrients. Older adults need adequate protein for muscle maintenance, calcium for bones, and fiber for digestive health. Imagine your body as a carefully tuned engine needing premium fuel for optimal performance. Vitamins and minerals also play key roles in supporting cognitive function and boosting immunity. Understanding these needs allows you to select foods that support your body's unique requirements, ensuring you stay healthy and vibrant. Recognizing the signs of poor nutrition is crucial. Warning indicators include unintentional weight loss, fatigue, difficulty concentrating, and changes in appetite. These could suggest that your nutritional needs are not being fully met. It's important to listen to your body and make adjustments to your diet as necessary. Don't overlook these signs, as they can impact your physical and mental health over time. With awareness, you can take proactive steps to address any deficiencies. Recent medical research shows that 7 out of 10 seniors who plan balanced meals enjoy better health outcomes. Focus on lean proteins like chicken and fish, whole grains, a variety of colorful vegetables and fruits. Don't forget healthy fats from avocados and nuts. Consider preparing meals in advance to simplify daily cooking. Stick to regular meal times to maintain energy levels throughout the day. These steps can make a significant impact on your well-being. Safe and effective movement is key to enhancing overall health. Activities like walking, tai chi, or gentle yoga can improve flexibility, strength, and mood. Remember, even small amounts of movement can lead to big health benefits. Start with what you're comfortable with and gradually increase intensity. Prioritize safety by using supportive footwear and reaching out to community centers for classes tailored to seniors. You are never too old to enjoy the advantages that regular exercise brings. Regular medical checkups are essential to monitor your health and dietary needs. These appointments allow you to personalize your nutrition plan with professional guidance. Always communicate any changes in your health to your provider. Understanding when to seek care can prevent complications and keep you feeling your best. Consider scheduling a consultation with a dietitian to ensure you're meeting your nutritional goals with confidence. Mental health and social well-being are equally important aspects of aging. Nutrition impacts our mood and social interactions. Joining a community cooking class can enrich your social life while teaching you new recipes. Staying connected with loved ones and sharing meals, even virtually, can uplift your spirit. Cultivating relationships and a positive mindset supports emotional well-being, making daily life more fulfilling. Small changes can lead to big improvements in mental health. If you're watching this, you care about your health, and that's already the most important step you can take. We've explored how crucial nutrition, exercise, and mental well-being are for a fulfilling life. Begin by incorporating one new healthy habit at a time, like trying a new recipe or taking a short daily walk. Remember, each small change adds up to a healthier you. Together, let's embrace aging with grace and vitality, equipped with the knowledge to make informed choices for your health.